Alright, well, success. I end up using the cheater bar, the half-inch cheater bar with the 19mm socket. And guess what? Look at that. This guy actually got loose. So, just another little trick for you guys in order for you guys to be able to, take this crank pulley off. So, I'm pretty happy. Look, bam, took it out. Big old sucker right there. So, things can be done without air tools or anything like that. Sometimes when you don't have them, or even if you do have them, I didn't have to take out the whole bumper. So, I'm still on the verge of taking this guy off, but I needed to take the crank pulley off in order for me to be able to even take the timing cover off, because as it is, there's still some bolts in there that I had to get to. So, cool, man. We got it, and continuing on.